Hey everyone, my name is Renee. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here right quick to say hello. I'm a multimedia artist and I specialize in paper mache, and I'm currently working on a series on paper mache, sharing all of my tips and techniques. So this week I have so many new paper mache ideas in the pipeline that I'm working on to share with you, basic techniques to familiarize you with the properties and the personality, for lack of a better word, of paper mache. I'm gonna go ahead and spill the beans and say coming in the next week or two, we're gonna have a paper mache mask project. We're gonna work with non-hardening clay. I'm gonna be doing a video to show you how to create your very own paper mache vase that can hold water and flowers. I'm also working on a series of shorts called Paper Clips. So I'm just going to be sharing some quick, easy to employ tips to up your paper mache game and make it more easy and accessible for you. I'm going to be adding some more exclusives to the patron-only playlist for my patrons on Patreon. Say that 5 times fast. Meaning that if you are a current or future patron, that you will have access to some exclusive videos that share inside peeks into my studio, some extra tips and confessions, and some things that may not go live to everybody on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I've done the trial and error and I figured out what works for me, and it may work for you too. I'm gonna get onto other techniques and other media, but for now I'm focusing mostly on paper mache. So I'm gonna be continuing with that series here, and I really want Friday mornings to be my publication time for this channel, because I feel like you're going into the weekend, you may have time to experiment with the things that you pick up on my channel. Hopefully I can give you great, juicy pieces of information that inspire you and make creating easier for you on an everyday level. My philosophy is, as a creative person, as an artist, my life has to involve some sort of creativity on an everyday basis. It could be as basic as, today I made a bunch of pancakes to freeze. I might go outside and work on my garden, not just studio stuff. So my objective with this channel is to inspire people to enjoy some sort of creativity every single day. It's not as hard as you think it is. Click the subscribe button, click that bell right there too, because until I get this thing worked out, my timing with working on my regular creative work and getting orders out and all that kind of stuff, I can't exactly commit every week to having a video on Friday. I want to get there. I hope I get there this month, where Friday is a consistent Friday morning publication. But until then, you might want to click the bell button for notifications. That's my goal for the next week or two, is to produce another couple of videos that will show you some more fun basic techniques that you can put to use immediately with just a few supplies, a few materials. They're easily accessible, no weird, hard to get art supplies, and you'll be able to create these yourself.